Have you ever found yourself staring at a data frame, wondering how to clean it up? It can be a real headache when you have rows filled with the same values. If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to remove those pesky rows with identical values across all columns. I totally get it. It's frustrating when your data is cluttered with rows that don't add any value. You're not alone in this struggle. Many people face similar issues when working with data frames. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How can I remove rows that have the same value across all columns in my data frame?" They provided an example data frame and mentioned that they want to keep only the unique rows. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together and find a solution. So, what's the issue here? When you have rows filled with the same value, they can skew your analysis and make it harder to draw meaningful insights. We'll break down the steps to identify and remove these rows effectively. And stick around. I have a powerful tip at the end that will help you manage your data frames more efficiently. To begin solving this problem, the user should create a logical condition that checks if all values in a row are the same. This can be done using the apply function in R. Next, the user needs to filter the data frame based on this condition. They can use the subset function to keep only the rows that do not meet the condition. After filtering, the user should check the resulting data frame to ensure that the rows with identical values have been removed correctly. Finally, the user can save or further manipulate the filtered data frame as needed for their analysis. Fun fact, did you know that the concept of data frames originated in the R programming language? It's a powerful tool for data analysis, and knowing how to clean your data is essential. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user involves using the map and reduce functions. This method checks each row for duplicates across all columns and retains only those rows with differing values. Another approach suggested is to utilize the tidyverse package. This method filters the data frame by checking if any values in the specified columns differ from the first column. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly check your data frames for duplicates and clean them up. This habit will save you time and improve your analysis. And there you have it. You should now be able to remove rows with the same value across all columns in your data frame. Remember, keeping your data clean is key to effective analysis. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our next video on advanced data manipulation techniques.